Hey folks, Brian Snyder, Serra, Volvo Traverse City. Today we are in the luxurious 2019 Volvo XC90 inscription trim level. Today we are demonstrating the parallel parking feature, some of the voice commands that are available, and we're just going to have a lot of fun. First, we're going to demonstrate parallel parking in busy downtown Traverse City. Next, we will demonstrate the Park In feature of the Volvo XC90. Now let me share with you a few voice commands that Volvo can understand. Set temperature to 65 degrees.
Temperature set to 65 degrees.
I'm hot.
Temperature set to 62 degrees.
I'm cold.
Temperature set to 65 degrees.
Set destination to 1331 South Garfield Ave, Traverse City.
Searching for address in Michigan. Select from list. 1331 South Garfield Avenue, Traverse City set as final destination. Calculating route.
Thanks for riding along in the Volvo XC90 inscription trim level. Come down to Serra Traverse City, test drive yours today. Find out about this month's excellent leasing programs, special financing options. Come see me, Brian, Serra Volvo.